hope you guys are doing well. Before we dive into today's video, I do just want to say, firstly, I need a little sippy sip. We've got an iced mocha, in case you're wondering. Now is your time to go and grab yourselves a nice drink. Honestly, I love an iced mocha at the moment. I don't know what it is, but fantastic. Anyway, before we dive into today's video, which is of course a very exciting one, I do just want to say a massive thank you to all of you guys who left really lovely comments on my last video. Honestly felt a little bit nervous coming back. I don't know why, because I absolutely love filming. I find it as my safe space, as I've said, but I just felt, oh, I don't know, I was just a bit worried because I haven't uploaded in so long, but you guys were so lovely and so kind, so thank you so much, and I just feel very grateful. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. In today's video we have a very exciting video because I actually received a parcel which has been in my fridge, granted, for the past week. I just haven't had the time to sit and unbox it for you guys, but I thought now is the time. We are gonna unbox it and I'm very excited too. So when I saw this arrive at my door, it's gonna only be one thing. I am so excited. Lush, if you're watching, thank you so much for sending me January's Fresh and Flowers box. I don't know what I do to deserve you guys. I feel very lucky and very spoiled, but I just wanted to unbox it with you. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. Also, in case you guys were wondering, yes, I still have an annoying cough. It's honestly getting on my nerves. And also today I have the worst headache. Like, I just can't get rid of it, and it's one of those headaches that's like right in there, and I just, oh, honestly, looking at my light right now is killing me off. But we are going to keep going and we're going to move past it because we have got January's Fresh and Flowers box to open. So let's go. Okay, so opening up the box, this is what we have inside already. I'm obsessed with it. So it says, cozy time, do not do not disturb until spring. On the paper, this gets me excited. This little box, I'm very excited about it. So this is the Winter Cheer Fresh and Flowers box, and it says spring is just around the corner, but there's no rush. It's only January. There's still time to rest, and we know it's dark outside, so spend some time getting cozy and keep your fairy lights on to cheer yourself up. I do that on the regular. I never sit down and don't have a light on. Do you know, actually, bit of a tangent, but I'm going to tell you guys anyway. For Christmas, I got one of the wax burner, like, candle melt light things, you know, you see them on TikTok all the time, where it's like a little lamp and it's got a space for a candle. Best invention I have ever seen. Honestly, it's amazing. The whole house smells great and I have no concerns of it burning down, because obviously candles, you know, they jump around. They do in my head, so I just honestly love it. Anyway, what was I saying? What was the point in that? That I'm cozy. That was my point. This also says, plan a self-care Sunday night to look forward to. Prepare, get your pajamas warm, wrap them and your towel with a hot water bottle, and lay out all of your products for easy use. Here you have products with happy, mood-boosting scents, and also ones for a sleepy, relaxing hug in a box. We hope you enjoy. I'm going to enjoy this box so much. I'm so excited. Okay, let's firstly start off with the Fresh face masks. So this is the Good Fortune face mask, and it says, bring your skin good fortune with hydrating sweet wild cannot get my words out, 1 second. Bring your skin good fortune with hydrating sweet white miso and soothing kineko powder, I think that's how you pronounce it, inspired by the Japanese ritual of Memeki, I think that's how you pronounce it. This is what it looks like. I love a good face mask. Fresh face masks I honestly absolutely adore. They're so fun and they're always just so different, and I absolutely love that. The one from, there was a Halloween one, the Mr. Pumpkin one, so good. Anyway, this one has soya milk, we've got edamame beans, soya flour, water, kineko powder, lemon myrtle oil, lime oil, neroli oil. I am so excited to give this a smell, but I'm also so scared because everything around me is cream. If I spill this on the carpet, I'm going to be so upset. Okay, let's give it a try. Ooh, there's green things in it. I really don't want to spill it. Can you guys see? Oh my goodness, this is so scary. I'm doing it over the rug. Oh my gosh. Okay, can you see? There's like green things inside. Ooh. Okay, scent-wise, it's very earthy, subtle, savoury. A little bit like creamy though. It smells really good. It smells very relaxing and I cannot wait to give that a try. So that is item number 1 in the box. Also inside the box, we have moss, which if you guys know me, I hate moss. The idea of, this might not even be moss, it might be a herb, I don't know. But it looks like moss, giving me the ick, but it definitely has a purpose. So we will find out what the purpose is when I can get to the ingredients thing, which I'm going to try and get out of the box. They put it underneath and I totally get why they do it, but I always find it hard then to get it out of the box. Okay, so what do we have in here? Okay, so the next item we have is the Apple Tree Man Facial Delight, and this is what it looks like. It's so fun. The facial, well, I was going to say the facial delights, but the delights in general, they just look like, what is the word? Marshmallows. That word left my brain. This one is no different. It's squishy, it's smushy, it's a great time to squish and smush, so I'm very excited about that. Hiccups. Sorry about that. This one says, folktale tells of a man offering his last mug of cider to the apple trees. As a reward, the spirit of the oldest tree, the apple tree man, reveals to him buried gold. Reveal bright and cleansed skin with a malic acid rich apples, say that 5 times fast, honestly, slice off a small piece, lather into your hands and massage over damp skin for a light and fluffy cleanse, rinse off for a soft and soothed finish. And ingredients wise in this one, we've got granulated sugar, we have got sugar syrup, we've also got white rice, we have fava powder, I think that's how you pronounce it, orange flower absolute, we've also got agar, we've also got cinnamon leaf oil. We are also gonna have to smell it because I need to know what this smells like. Oh, that's good. Fruity, sweet, fresh. I love that. That sounds delightful and I cannot wait to use that. I love a good like Lush facial soap. I'm very excited to give this one a try, so I love that one. My hair is getting on my nerves. I washed it, shocking, and I think I forgot some conditioner, and you know when like you're so far gone with your hair routine, like you're already curling it and all of a sudden you're like, there's conditioner just like in the back there. We're gonna leave it, we're gonna rewash another time because I just didn't have time or the patience to do that today. The next item we have in the box is this one. This is the Winter Sunrise Body Scrub. Very interesting that it's not in a pot and it is just in a block like that. That is so fun and different. This one says, oh, it's really hard actually. I don't know why I thought it was going to be like a salt scrub and really squishy. It's like a hard, solid scrub. Anyway, this one says, winter sunrises are glorious in January. A simple thing to cheer your mornings. Gently rub this warming bar over the skin to keep that feeling going and enjoy deeply cleansing fresh ginger juice and conditioning castor oil with our sunny and buttery Chelsea morning fragrance. Don't get me excited. I love Chelsea Morning. I actually just finished a 30ml bottle of the perfume and I'm so sad because it's so good. Like it's so good. In terms of ingredients, this one has got cream of tartar, lemon myrtle oil, purple sweet potato powder, we've got ginger juice, we've got tonka, we have got golden syrup. Let's just get in there. But, oh my god, I dropped it. That was close. It nearly went flying. I need to smell it because now I know it smells like Chelsea Morning. I'm going to die. It's so good. So good. It's pouring with rain. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It is pouring with rain and I'm literally, after this video, going to be going to dinner with my friends and I have to walk there. So that's upset me. Now I'm going to have to walk in the rain. Anyway, that's the next item. Lovely. Cannot wait for that. That smells delish. If you guys don't know what Chelsea Morning smells like, the only way I can describe it is take a piece of like lemon sponge cake mixed with like golden syrup, like sticky dates kind of smell. Like put them together. It's so good. I absolutely love it. Honestly, one of my favourite scents. So very excited about that one. Ah, stop it. It's a tulip bulb. That is what this was. I was like, what is this like acorn looking thing? That is the bulb of a tulip. So fun. I am definitely going to grow that as well. I have a little tiny plant pot. Where did I put it? I'm going to have to find it and definitely plant this one. Dig a hole 2 times the height of your bulb and plant it into the ground, wishing it good luck in growing while you wait for spring. Or I could put it in the garden. The garden, by the way, that we have is very small and it's an absolute train wreck at the moment. Like we need to redo the whole garden, like remove remove everything, start from scratch, which is going to be a spring project because obviously the flat's nearly finished now. So I can plant my one little sad tulip in my garden. Very excited about that though. That's really cute. And also I don't know what the moss is about. It doesn't say anything about the moss, but we also have this little flower. It's not really a flower, but this little arrangement of, I suppose it is flowers. And this is a toner. It's one of those hot water toners. You put this in, you kind of steam your face with it, you use it afterwards, and this is, I don't know what the names of the flowers are, but they're really cute. So yeah, we have those as well. The next item we have is a body butter. This is really cute because I thought it was a soap. It's actually a body butter, and this is the hibernating bear. I'm sorry, how that is just so cute. I absolutely love the look of him. This one says, with magnesium chloride to support well-being and promote relaxation, this body butter contains nourishing fresh bananas and moisturizing fresh avocado. Apply lightly on damp skin to moisturize your legs and arms, and then rinse off. I love that. Don't stop. It smells like Twilight. Oh, if you guys don't know, Twilight, Sleepy. Honestly, my favourite smells. They are so good. That is so relaxing. I don't know why I didn't expect it to smell like Twilight or like Sleepy, but that is so good. Oh, it's delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm obsessed with that. Ingredients wise in that one, we have got things like cocoa butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, we've got tonka, we've got lavender, we've also got almond oil, avocado. It's beautiful. So I absolutely love that. And I cannot wait to use that. Now I know it smells like Sleepy. I honestly cannot cope. I cannot cope. I need to use that immediately. Okay, so last but definitely not least, we have whatever is in this teeny tiny bottle. Now, if you guys are big LUSH advocates or you've watched a lot of my unboxings from LUSH, you will know this only means one of like a few things. It's either a perfume, a room spray, a body spray, or like a pillow spray, something like that, like a mist of some sort. I'm so excited. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. I pray for something good. I'm so scared. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is really interesting, and actually for this to be in a fresh and flowers box really just like ups the game for me. I love it. This is the Zesty body spray, and if you guys don't know, Zesty is a beautiful fresh citrusy like fragrance. It's so good. So this one says, the bright scent of lime and neroli oils are an instant pick-me-up. Spritz your bathroom and your pajamas with happy mood boosting neroli before starting your routine. Zesty pops of fresh fragrant citrus offer instant refreshment, whilst warm woody tones of olibanum anchor and calm the mind. And ingredients, obviously we have things like lime oil, olibanum, neroli. It doesn't really tell you much else because obviously it doesn't want to spoil the actual ingredients. Oh my god, shut up. That, it is mood boosting. I feel great now. I don't even care that I have to go and walk in the rain. Oh, put it on me now. Put it on me now. Oh, that's so... Wait. Oh my god, why is my chair wet? Why am I wet? Is Zesty... Hold on, I can't get the lid off. Is Zesty Collis scented? Have I only just kind of linked those together? Am I really silly? Because that smells exactly like Collis, and I love Collis. That's so good. Oh, 10 out of 10. No notes. Amazing. So that is everything that is inside the LUSH Fresh and Flowers box for January. I feel so incredibly grateful, lucky, thankful that LUSH again have sent this to me this month. I feel honestly just so overwhelmed with kindness, and it just doesn't go unnoticed. So LUSH, thank you so much. And to all you guys, if you ever want to get yourself the subscription box or you ever want to buy anything from LUSH, I obviously highly recommend. They are my favourite cosmetic company out there. I just feel like they can do no wrong, and I just love them so much. I also do have an affiliate link which is in my description. It does give me a small percentage of what you buy, but it does really help me out, so if you ever want to use it, it is down below. But that's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you again for your patience, your kindness, for just being the best bunch of internet besties that I could ever ask for. I love you a lot, and it doesn't go unnoticed either. So thank you for being here, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.